Today we will learn forward and backward counting. Do you know what is forward and backward counting? No, I will tell you today with beautiful example. Children, see, one beautiful train is standing at platform. 10 bogies are attached to it. I am going to Mumbai in this train. As soon as it will get green signal, it will start moving. Oh, train has got green signal. See how it has started crossing the platform? First, the engine holding number 0 is passing by. Thereafter, bogie number 1 follows. After which, it is being followed by bogie number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Finally, the entire train passes by the platform and the signal turned red. Then when we count from 1 to 10 and we go in forward direction, it is called forward counting. And in forward counting, we get big number because we are going from small to big number. See, 2 is 1 more than 1 and 3 is 1 more than 2. 4 is 1 more than 3. So the next number is 1 more than the previous number. So it is called forward counting. When we go in forward direction, we get big number. So you learned forward counting, children? But children, see what happens when the train leaves the platform and runs on the track for a little while. Oh, engine driver sees a big elephant standing on the track. He got scared and decides to take his train back to the safe and cozy platform where it began from. See how train approaching the platform in reverse order. Now, bogie number 10 shall be the first one to reach at the platform, followed by bogie number 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. While coming back, all the bogies came in reverse direction. That is 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now we are safe from elephant. And children, when we count backward, the number we get will be smaller in value. 9 is 1 less than 10 and 8 is 1 less than 9. 7 is 1 less than 8 and 6 is 1 less than 7. 5 is 1 less than 6 and 4 is 1 less than 5 and 3 is 1 less than 4. 2 is 1 less than 3. 1 is 1 less than 2. So in backward counting, we are going from big number to small number. So children, now you know meaning of backward counting, big to small, and meaning of forward counting means small to big.